My name's Julia and I'm studying fashion management and marketing. So today we took part on a workshop where we did a 3D, it was kind of like a 3D where we had to download an app and we had to look around and see and scan, and it was quite cool because you see things in other perspective.
So my name is Alva and I'm studying fashion management and marketing.
Well, my name is Danny and I'm also studying fashion marketing and management, and to be honest, we found it very interesting. It gives you more of an insight about the industry, and yeah, I found it very interesting, especially days like today where you can speak with professionals and network a bit and even discover new apps that you are not even aware of, such as like 3D scanning, and you can basically scan anything and put it anywhere.
Yeah, and I will kind of say the same. It's true that when you are studying and you are in class, it's fine because you are getting like the knowledge that you need, but when you go into workshops and everything, you can really see what's going on and you can speak to people that is involved in this area and in this fashion world. So I think it's super useful for students, and we have been enjoying it so far.